The United Kingdom is more than just famous landmarks, rainy days, and royal families. Beneath its iconic imagery lies a treasure trove of incredible geography facts that most people don't know. From rivers that gallop upstream to cliffs that drop like skyscrapers into the sea, let's explore 15 jaw-dropping geography facts about the UK that might just surprise you. 1. The Severn Bore, Nature's Highwire Act. On England's west coast lies the Severn Estuary, home to one of the most extraordinary natural phenomena, the Severn Bore. Twice a day, the incoming tide is squeezed into a towering wave that can reach up to 5 stories high. This wall of water rushes inland at 10 kilometers per hour, and during spring tides, even surfers challenge this mighty wave as it moves upstream. It's one of the few places on Earth where such a spectacle occurs, and it also holds potential for clean, renewable power schemes in the future. 2. Ben Nevis, Britain's tallest peak. Ben Nevis, located in the Scottish Highlands, stands tall at 1,345 meters, 4,413 feet above sea level, making it the highest point in the British Isles. This mighty mountain is actually the eroded core of an ancient volcano, and its collapsed caldera forms the dramatic north face cliffs that attract ice climbers every winter. The peak offers views of the Atlantic Ocean just 16 kilometers away, making it a surreal place to stand. 3. Loch Ness, a vast freshwater reservoir. Loch Ness, known for its legendary monster, is much more than just a mystery. This deep, dark trench holds 7.4 cubic kilometers of water, nearly twice the amount of fresh water in all of England and Wales. With a depth of 230 meters, it's an inky abyss that's only partially mapped by sonar, making it one of the most intriguing bodies of water in the world. Loch Ness lies along the Great Glen Fault, which still causes minor earthquakes today. 4. The UK's 12,000 kilometers of coastline. The United Kingdom has a staggering 12,000 kilometers of coastline, a length that stretches across bays, coves, and inlets. This coastline is dotted with more than 6,000 islands, only 123 of which are inhabited. If you were to walk along the mainland coastline, it would take you almost a year to complete the journey at a pace of 30 kilometers per day. It's a testament to the sheer complexity and beauty of the UK's coastline. 5. The Giant's Causeway, nature's own pavement. In Northern Ireland, you'll find the Giant's Causeway, a remarkable site made up of 40,000 interlocking basalt columns. These columns were formed by a volcanic eruption 60 million years ago and are an excellent example of nature's geometric creativity. Some columns reach up to 12 meters tall and are made from lava that cooled and cracked in a unique pattern. This geological wonder is recognized by UNESCO for its breathtaking beauty and scientific significance. 6. The Flow Country, a vast natural sponge. In Scotland's far north, the Flow Country covers a staggering 4,000 square kilometers, larger than Cornwall, and is the world's first peatland World Heritage Site. The deep, spongy layers of moss in this bog trap 400 million tons of carbon, helping to cool the planet. This vast, remote landscape is also home to rare wildlife, including carnivorous sundews and green-shanked birds, making it a crucial ecosystem in the fight against climate change. 7. The Prime Meridian, where time begins. In Greenwich, you can stand on an invisible line that marks 0 degrees longitude, the prime meridian where time starts. This line divides the eastern and western hemispheres, and it's the reference point for the global time zone system. The Royal Observatory marks this line with steel markers, though modern satellite data has shown that the gravitational meridian is now about 100 meters east of where it was originally fixed. 8. Shetland Islands, a Nordic escape within the UK. Did you know that the Shetland Islands in the UK are closer to Norway than they are to London? Situated at 60 degrees north, these islands experience midsummer nights where the sun never truly sets, a phenomenon locals call the simmer dim. Despite their geographical remoteness, the Shetland Islands have been home to over 1,600 archaeological sites, including Viking longhouses and World War radar posts. 9. St. Kilda, the UK's most remote archipelago. About 8 hours west of mainland Scotland lies the St. Kilda archipelago, home to the UK's highest sea cliffs. These cliffs rise sharply from the Atlantic, creating dramatic vertical walls where seabirds like skuas nest. Despite its isolation and extreme conditions, the last permanent residents of St. Kilda were evacuated in 1930 due to food shortages and isolation. Today, their homes serve as bothies for visiting scientists and wildlife enthusiasts. 10. Loch Morar, the deepest freshwater lake in the UK. While Loch Ness often steals the spotlight, Loch Morar in Scotland is actually the deepest freshwater lake in the UK, with a depth of 310 meters. The lake lies within a tectonic rift and is surprisingly clear, supporting unique wildlife including Arctic char that have been trapped in the lake since the last ice age. Its eerie tranquility and isolation have fueled local legends of mysterious creatures, just like the Loch Ness Monster. 11. The River Severn's tidal wave. The Severn Bore is a rare natural phenomenon that occurs in the Severn estuary. Twice a day, the incoming tide forms a massive wave that can reach heights of up to 2 meters. This wave travels upstream at 13 kilometers per hour, and surfers often brave it for one of the longest rides in the world. It's a testament to the unique tidal forces that occur in the narrow Severn estuary. 12. St. David's, the smallest city in the UK. Did you know that St. David's in Pembrokeshire is the smallest city in the UK? With a population of just over 1,850 people, it's smaller than many villages. Yet this quaint city earned its city status because of its medieval cathedral, and every year thousands of visitors flock to hike the Pembrokeshire Coast Path or kayak with Atlantic seals. 13. Britain's longest road journey. The longest journey you can make across Great Britain is from the granite cliffs of Land's End in Cornwall to John O'Groats in Scotland, spanning 1,470 kilometers. It's a trip that takes you through farmland, moors, and highlands, and while cyclists can complete it in just a couple of days, walkers can spend 6 weeks making the journey, experiencing the full range of British landscapes. 14. Britain's longest river, the River Thames. Think again. Most maps and atlases list the River Severn as Britain's longest river, but if you measure the length of the Thames from its furthest source, it actually stretches 369 kilometers, 15 kilometers longer than the Severn. The debate about which river is truly the longest has become a staple of pub quizzes, as even small tributaries can affect the overall measurement. 15. The tallest waterfall in the UK. Deep in the Ascent Mountains of northwest Scotland lies Is Achol Aluin, the tallest waterfall in the UK, with a 200-meter, 660-foot drop. It's more than 3 times the height of Niagara Falls, making it a hidden gem for adventurers who brave the hike to witness its stunning beauty. From the mysterious waters of Loch Morar to the dramatic cliffs of St. Kilda, the UK's geography is full of unexpected wonders and mind-boggling facts. These remarkable places show just how diverse and unique this small island nation truly is. If you enjoyed these surprising geography facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating content. Which fact did you find the most surprising? Let us know in the comments below.